Today I'll be going over the cleaning and dismantling of a DC59 cordless animal vacuum. The tools I used for this job is a paintbrush, Phillips screwdriver PH0, Torx bit 8, flat tip screwdriver small, and needle nose pliers. Easy. Remove the first filter. Next step is the battery, which will you need your Phillips screwdriver. It's held on by 2 screws, one here and one here. Next step is to remove this basket. This is where the flat tip screwdriver comes in. For the big part in the front, you want to stick that in, get it in between there, and pry it up until you hear it pop. There's the first click. I use my thumb to pull a little tension out as I'm working my way around, popping the other pieces that are holding it on. And once you get enough of them, it should just slide right off. Now to remove this purple piece, there's 5 Torx 8 screws you have to remove. The next step is removing this top piece away from the motor, and inside of here these 2 white clips that I'll have to use needle nose pliers and pry them together to loosen the top. Once you have those squeezed up, you want to push up on this a little bit to where you can see that it's popped out. And that's when you can just work it out, remove the motor. Inside of here there is 4 Torx bit 8 screws that you have to remove. Naturally this piece will come off. Now there's 2 screws right here holding this buckle together. Now keep these 2 screws separate from all the other ones, as they are of different size than the ones we have removed already. They're actually smaller, but still the same Torx bit size, but shorter in length. So this now allows for the whole top piece to be disassembled. This membrane right here can come off for you to clean if you choose to. If you want to go with a water method of cleaning, you can. Just make sure you give it ample amount of time for it to dry. And there's this piece that can come out also if you want to get a thorough cleaning, which is another membrane right here that you can pull out and finish cleaning. Reassembly is everything in reverse order. Everything has that little notch up top to let you know which way everything lines up. So let's go put this puppy back together. There, chambered. Cool. That's back on. Right here, this is actually the part that points up with the chambers right here like this. And there's 2 little slots right here that you'll line up to this rubber piece. Push that back on. You now slide this guy back up. It goes in nice and neat. These can go on. And the 2 little screws go back in. And the At this point, you can reattach it back to the motor. If you have skinny enough needle nose pliers, you can go in there and just pre-press that. Or if you just line the bottoms up like this, you can actually just pop her back together. Slide the basket back on, line it up, and just give it, you know, pop back on. Battery. And that's how you disassemble and reassemble a DC59 animal cordless vacuum.